Mama Kai maybe. Wow. Mama Kai. Ogoja me na me play aketo na abo national team da. Ni nyina no na me di ku akomi am ofidi ama no. Abo national team da. E na abo national team ben.
Under 17.
Ogoja. Le be 52 over bi.
Na me go ma di person na 52.
All right, that's what about the 17 now. Game Park Limited, Madiki Akasende, for crab baba in 2 tizi pemula no unze jete scan 17 no ye kana ya young guys near sisi ye mfa kwampa enyiska ne no na bebo amabra bone makoye peramena ne Game Park Limited o mo hwehwe o mo di aba no enele abomodian adwo tuma adwuma de bi o mo di bia no e ya de ehwonko na eni one aba e se na mun community etie ukita phone na simple tablet na uyisu computer bia o de anu so be run mo Play Store okwa wabo Game Park Games app no e ba pen wa download di na me ba be kire we dwuma de be ye so ozo na e de ma wa o de www.gameparkgames.com www.gameparkgames.com na ozu kita mobile phone network bia obabo modern wa da star 946 hash star 946 hash e be bi etimi e ma Game Park in common is simple your man numbers no maku do from 0 to 9 no also na we chini ade ano edempa na be no wa select 4 numbers no utimi choose ne tize bia 44 ne bebo mienu se no na ba me de ma wa ya na also no wo so pa ezanza o choose se 44 ne bebo mienu na ne na apie na mun komo no na ne nyina no ye bo modin ade bia ye bo ne miensa de di kan no ye bo modin atwi draw no 9 o'clock am 2 so no pa from bear 5 de kono utimi de guso ai numbers no the 9 se fa obabo modin nyeska de toss mienu no draw no eba so 12 pm na afidi twato no 6 pm ti omo pesa onye sika bebrinti no ena damu ni nyina no mpre no miensa ne ebo modin etimi etwi draw no also no omo damu fu atime patro ne upe sika enyi sika dodo pa dia fa wohwemu Game Park Limited ni omo games a omo de aba na aba babazi ano eden no eno ana do na roma ebo amane makue na mo nya nu fie du wotwa emfa wo jezanza agro no pinfo eni di ne ebo amane makoye pa etimi ede ema o amano ne na utie mi a enkomo ye ba bedi no tieniye ni na ze ya so bekwa kosan wani fifire na diska na be ma ofa na ne zova pasa asema me na si dan si suma me na ofa akodi o kan ze o ma minu a waka ni me o chimi tuma me wu ahwe wazo na obeze fi amano ne aba be ejuma simple any 52 Estate Construction Limited for entimi eni nkomo o ma bo ejuma no 15 good years ni omunya ha bia da efie dunum de utumu ze wo achi pa za wo pass ase ato kuma se ne nkran eni omun kasa opeso osifie eni omun ni nkomo opefie ato eni omun ni nkomo we japade bia wo Ghana te sa asase ena afefie opeso oton a oni omun din so mere na ye di animu aye ne kama pretty mi era mani se mo maso ye ne ze zo ka so mu si dan ne ma wa ombre ni na so mo mbehwe etu anamo omo bebo mode aye bibibia etimi era ma na abo ma hihye no ada the companies out don aso mo contact omo zo pbb filling station be na ye tu anamo kama pa etimi edi ama me pacho for mo na ma na komodi de bia ne omo nkasa 0556 723 338 0556 723 338 na 0531 525-797 0531-525-797 Opo mo nkran Kesema Junction Game Park Motor Road no omo Kome Plaza Kumasi ano ro ni nechimo page for anto akwan no so a obenyo mo ntentan video so no 52estate.com Facebook Instagram TikTok kokwa obonjuma di no mo di no na aboa na ne makoye pere ma Trinity of Arc Limited Company na nkomo na midi ne no za oye head work anko na peso ru ma no ne ekokoto adwuma di no so a eye simple omo na du ru mo to your doctor, nurse, midwife, lab technician. Me patro me na manu to your fana ni omu ni nkomo. Yes, Canada, UK, akunya do so be kwa ejuma. Okwa, nyebe mo asua de kakra nsa na aboa na online sis no. Wanya adisua no kra no sua no. Oyo clinicals no no twibia no. Ye pe kakra ma bibi abeda no. Ya de a eno so no ondwen ho. Afo bezo koko sua de obibi se Canada, America, North and South Europe ni nyina no. Ye bre ne do akọ footballers no yes sports visa. Etimi ye mama na won sa nyuma te se carpenter, o ye Tyler, onso no you're a construction worker, we a teacher, Nancy Puno, also a banker, farmer, mechanic, Nina Mono, or Modobeko, Nunisa and Jumakra, Ze ene Uramu, or baby is a Romania ni Ili, Aquacubu Jumano, net Trinity of Ake and Sheno, Etimi, Nede, Amagana, Sitanafono, Dubeso Trebis, Canada, USA, UK, and a Shingi State, no Manamanofa 0531 644 217 0531 644 217 0531 633 556 0531 633 556 now you know 0205 572076 0205 572076 so pomo kumasi adwato masalachi omo nye benabrepo junction na kaswa nen krantem no kaswa new market road Fidelity Bank omo so no first floor omo ebo edwumebwa man ma kuyi kama pan so no etimi ma Trinity limited company, the only company that knows how you can travel to any part of the world. Tiramna yamwana ne madadi farmer Vodafone damu promo simple star 110 hash. Na wallet no so no factor credit or the top creditor. Ya bo modern sikana return from 5 Ghana de ko animu no. Ye sambo de mu 20% esanto wallet no so ye simple kra star 110 hash. Obonze o credit ne ba ya pe pa na 20% ne damu. Sa zika no utimi yididi utimi di bi top credit. E de bibi ape uto bi manu ape obonze ono so pa onya ne credit na damu. Enti damu promo na ba. Ni izama o ma ye ne se nyese ne obo modern na de omo nyum ni di asa de twa ho fato tintan fidie no so na wa hashtag omo hashtag Vodafone Ghana Vodafone Ghana nti omo hwe ne sa no mo zampa kwa ise gampa na eno no mo ye nhyehyɛ ne aboa na Samsung Ghana cho phone earpods out no be mo de na ye timi ya cho tie Vodafone to yo mo de aba Vodafone further together na aboa na ne ma de de ama Beltway register ne cloud friendly is out on abekoso ti www.betway.com.gh www.betway.com.gh when you do feel what ya what in kufu nyambo curtain raiser na basu weekend na oche be ram na major leagues na sha se Trinity basa na fi abuse school na yedidi ho sa na yekoy anim ni ade na eboa ma na ma deda din nti na ozo ram na so no oyo de start na kese jackpot ni ginamo 70 matches or 150 pesos na to achi e fa unya 16.5 Ghana cedis the toss me 30 matches or 1 cedi na to achi e fa obo modern no so no ngatimi enya 2.7 billion kaniska kwata no 50 pesos na di ram e fa unya 5000 Ghana cedi na abo ma bibia akuyere amana de hianse wenye du fie du wotwe de kwa animu Betway bet your way na nhyehyɛ no ende da di mpɛn fa mama boafo no dɔso na mom ma mema miki mu ni nkomo no kakra na mokwe de ba na de akebia no nya bomode atimi awram na entoto na da di Michael Akomia ne Michael Asaribodu ma mehwe na mu rewrewre ma na emboa ma ne ma de da di soro entimi emfa ema na nhyehyɛ no enso entimi ende da di na emboa na ne ma enkoye kama pan so no entimi emfa ema ne we adi yebere ne awram but enye we no bafu polo African print no na bafo abomode designs out on anti near African print polo shirt, African print golf shirt, African print runneck shirt, African print v-neck shirt. Boutique for monko na monko jibi na monton konfo be no a ene ba neba bibisa wanse monso hoso a ene nenkasa obema neema ni biska kreb no waton waju sika na aboa man so abrabo neema ko yie pa etimi area ma bafo se ne companies out on a ebi eti say a bankers no Friday way no and also enanche no ze and teachers association schools out on churches no fan clubs out on money ni din koma obema ma de ba kwa na esonkoko a eboa na bibi ada yeso etimiera ma mun komo no ya de a edinti no nhyehyɛ awai ni your gold package a 20 shirt or box mu your silver package 15 shirt or box mu bronze package 10 shirt and also no el box mu gold package no frɛ no a na chese ne ngobo modern etimi e deliver the amount untwa kapre baby organ bi ebeboa na ye deliver the amount konam te se enso no etimi ebo modern agibi e hye e ma ne mema ya na akono ye papa ndi ozi ram na ye gibi na ebo ma ne ma da ye pa etimi ma nationwide delivery baby obi a obe deliver na wenyanti fa na number no ne niam no boy for na GB 0249 600789 0249 600789 0599 899 0599 899 up and I am a cocobin do any achimo santas your boss kwano so no obenya no na waboa na nema koyie pa etimiera ma dibigi ma minja mu ma oni akomia na yewrewram ne ehwe sere nema no sitie di mumsom na nkomodidie no emra we all inter schools competition we no na no edem pa
of course
na no edem pa na munsu ede pa
as serve as a different taste of a quality football at the SHS level.
Yes.
Ye who sende no enye omo ani eni mo tetena na de omo be dominate. There are emerging forces and they are doing this by design. Planning anomo de enye se ade aba betom. So ye be rasa nkomo and we are privileged to have the company of two schools Omoko Remo with the semi-final stage.
Yes.
The losing finalist and know your okes or say ana yewo Our Lady of Grace almost no more place seated into omo wa ha ye ne omo bedi nkomo na before say be rasa nkomo ni mo studio ha no yen kai kai ho kakra say inter schools competition Ashanti region boys the any band way na Sims SHS and omo GDC omo na so for the very first time. Now the tagline is they had a queen among kings and yes Sandra Boache. Na say ono ye former footballer wa bobo na bo national team abo clubs then and then they were remu akwa akoye coaches so or sanso ya amade menya sure say in the history of the inter schools competition nationwide oba bia de eye emema team aje eye championship ne da enti oba bai wa Sandra Boache and rogiwie no na feeling ne was ro papa nti enti ne yenhwe ne kakra na yemfa ngada momentum yemfa nhye bibia ase.
I'm feeling great. I'm just happy. Very, very happy because I've achieved my objective. The objective I set for myself. Can we say you're disciplined? Discipline. Me, I'm very disciplined. So if you're not a disciplined player, I can't work with you. So when me call school me sack it from 3-4 because they were not disciplined. They thought say I drew almost so they were guy. I had to sack them because I want to deal with disciplined players. Coaching is teaching. Okay. So you have to teach everything. Say one chere adiena. Nasa akwani ye mistake. You don't have any right. So but say one chere adiena. Nasa akwani do feel no so yes something different. You have every right. So but it's my players because of my chere or my DNA team. So I'm a mistake. Or no one himself a mistake because your chere no. You can't me, I teach. Coaching is teaching and nothing else. Sandra wants to be an international coach. I'm feeling good.
Let's the feel good factor ni mwana no de kasa odi twa to no say opeso ko the international level. She's highly ambitious but and also need the do baby awodru no.
Yes.
The field the terrain na we rem no. Very few females na benya that bravery so mo be rem sa. So it is absolutely remarkable. You're born about watching almost Beba studio. That is same SHS. Omoba na omonsem na what is the plan behind everything that they are doing? And Nadia na babe tobiano. A quite ben no more fast or manyanisa. Obi the old babies and no say a nyame. Obi babies and no say a headmaster. Obi babies and no say a coach. Or mobile babe commerce. But in the studio, we are privileged to have Our Lady of Grace. We have a 5-man contingent, strong one pa. Our Mababe Kayensa. On my right, Reverend John Esiama Eyebuama, on chairperson for OLAC, almost sports committee. And on my extreme right, and so Fred Osei Buampon, or your assistant coach, Edema OLAC Omutimino. And the enemy I face you on the 3 strong men. No more crucial as ye shedan ye department of every football team biana be a well represented here, but a goalkeeper, your defender, only the same thing, the captain, Thomas Boache. Also a partaker. Aha. And your Alaji Seidu Sunesha na a year a champion upon only a friend of Maradona.
The Maradona
way Benteke.
Benteke
is striker.
Oh, okay.
And Maradona ni. Maradona about a right-footed. Yes. And Thomas Boache. Also on the Thomas na. Into our doubted Thomas. No, Thomas is in the studio. Now I can.
I'm number 1 way. Then we are team now.
Debbie number 1 or Reste Kakra. Inti where the contingent of Our Lady of Grace. Inti impenyu for Akwaba. Yeah. Is it Bibi Asoboko there? Okay, Reverend, me and Shasem free where this whole project from Our Lady of Grace. I think this is the first time Motimia buy inter schools Nibia Kwakudrum Pempen so say.
Sompa Sports. This is our second appearance.
A second appearance.
Yeah, stadium. I think the first appearance in the stadium was 2019.
2019.
When we qualified to the stadium. So we played our first match against Adujan Fisina High School. And so during the game, we share more one, and munya penalty taker. So we went to penalties, and I'm the eliminate here. That was our first appearance. And this is the second time appear do that.
But it is the first time semi-final.
Yes, please, yeah.
Okay. Well, tell us, what has been the whole idea behind sports? Sports in the Ashanti region. T schools different. Ebia Okes, Ebia Opokuare, Prempe, Amas, Moniwe, But we've seen Our Lady of Grace also show up, and you do not just come to compete. What is the whole plan, the grand plan behind all this?
Okay, so with Our Lady of Grace in high school, fair opportunity to all students.
Okay.
So as part of your mission statement in Okrano, part of how I capture say, you produce the opportunity, and I give you opportunity for students to be part of extracurricular activities.
Okay.
It's all about Our Lady of Grace Senior High School. Fridays be after school. Students have the opportunity to be part of any extracurricular activities, depending on what you wish you want to do. Until you do about tennis, maybe ball, football, maybe volleyball, handball, or call art side or picture making or drawing.
Okay.
And every aspect of it, depending the acronym per se or and share the academics in the pay, because we also know say some of them have certain potential that is hidden in them. So when you give them that opportunity, they come out of their shells and then they do what they are best at. So that is our major thing that we do over there. And to say players here, most of them know or more out of that opportunity now. They are more and a team a or more. You train or more yet me do sa pempenso. Because say Oba Ulaga a citadel of excellence.
Okay.
And then this year we are harnessing potential for excellence. These are some of the potentials
are more yet for.
Exactly.
Ona chairman of a sports committee with school name. Ebanese na mutu sa na monwe. School ni bebreza. So what was the plan? What was the idea? Ebanese na mutu sa na monwe say you dedicated Fridays to look out for idea extra students nimu to also bring out that aspect in them.
And I'm telling me kind who say obia ni direction opese follow in life.
Okay.
And school ni there. So there be yes ocean academics sometimes ebia na one mix the other aspect of the human life.
Sompa sports.
And say massa opportunity no obi wo ha a way and I would know nti obuane sana, even though we have some of them are science, but then extracurricular activities na make an obi wo ha or visual art or painting are very good at that. Nti eno no babuano ababe sort of extra after school. Nti that is the whole idea.
Nti project we now running for how many years?
Since 2019.
So Benfans about 4 years.
4 years ni. So with the sports, you started 2019. The 2019 the team drew stadium now. Our first match in the eliminated, that was where it started. And unfortunately, COVID came in, and I hot those activities. I see why we gave the opportunity to students now. We should say be part of the sports now and other disciplines. We give them. So we started from there, and up to this point, because from 2019, we were certain players we are not setting big they were very good, but because of COVID, opportunity, But when these people came, we didn't know say a time like this will come out. More opportunity now, but then we were still training them. We were still giving them the opportunity to do whatever thing that they are capable of doing. And they say, baby, 2023 opportunity in buyer they went there to exhibit their talent.
Okay, but you better players now. So Coach Fett, my member. Along the line, yes, also we run it. Baby say, Obenya, you maybe a bear, a coincidence, and fancy besu quine, a bear how kakra anyway. What were some of the bottlenecks? Mutmi free bottle nimna fedi muda hohia mutmi ya demoye.
What me that's pa. Denya nipa ekitamudie a watch a school for adie no. Denya ube face some difficulties.
Okay.
A bit say like a crown training or bubble training upon ya your time that's what okudare ama class sports time na my class ya you found say oko training.
Okay.
E be a teacher no class no on one chow.
Okay.
Enti akora ko training wabre upon school so oko training upon training ya mo dan of dan ya oko prep.
Yes.
And don't say all this challenge here. Now you face it, but with the help of our honorable headmaster, Reverend Father Sylvester Frimpong, or Taichi Boy, or Sako, we be if it's telling me, I say, Okon in China, but transmit church room, is a boy, and a boy at me, Sako in a team, the drink the Benjamin Dear.
Mohamed Sokakra, na Minyama Komiano ne, Omo Bobo or Park National. Was a Momo boy, Momo Shay, more direct here, and Jacomiano more so be Jim Kakra. Capitu, Boko de. Kabit maso microphone nama me kakra. Fide. Sompa sports. Kasana binti sa bade so hoye.
Acho me hoye nyame ado.
Great. As the leader of team no, mo na mo gina park no so ana mo bobo no. Way achievement bi am sure say be na ho ache. Feeling it to say as the leader of this team.
Okay, first of all, no, feeling it great because after say a call inter schools athletics competition no omo dey band be my nti e ba sa dem ma players na bambu kakra nti later ne hu say omasa ayi band no nti e hono na ye training no en shire ni pick na e wo form ye nti time na dey catch up no training time dey catch up na isua nti na e expect say nke betima do the semi finals do na sure say qualification dey ni benya by to the semi finals no na e expect say but all the same, me co-players never want to do that level. And the school management, I'm also tired to come into feeling a great part.
Okay. As a captain, now biggest challenge your day.
Okay. Yeah, starting in the on set time you better start Milo games no. Now at your time you register what's you know because me final year. Ti usually they at the same time also coach training. Say a coach can or free training and also a corporate. Now if you see a lot of challenges because free training upgrade and after the qualification yes I staying and go fee into man you cry after the qualification the first match was against Fomena Amas then we had yet to say Fomena for Sompa sports so with the help of our coaches and develop a plan say in our half no you better press you and then ma against Fomena it's me a foul ma dum could do shootouts and against Sakafia in ye key players be on me good so a coach is in develop a plan be say you have to tackle those players or instructions so in our house and we game be press it Sakafia for but internet it's me who do ma so I don't call penalties no yeah.
Okay, Fama Maradona na let me say Babaya player back called Gini Dimpa Abu Dhabi. Player back called Gini Dimpa.
Dine dear Aromia. Yareba man and Maradona. Ubenya Sadino.
Player back called Gini Dimpa. Na feeling this so to say the motivate you that your best game pa me amete me who pa against Akafia. Na motivation here then.
Medo bibia se wa se Sakafia team no na no adi pa na no adi be na me wo confidence me ti my day ambo ama mi school na mo confidence ni pa
Sompa sports
eh na say the city bobo yes ara ka so as of people form kakra ba ka jira facts so aka bo pass na lo yi wani
Sompa sports
Madonna second question ni na me move on to Benteke on the field of play we say Enra oh yeah could di card near the day as a key player of the team no one na feeling it is abra could di card who sure say affect you
affect me pa omni avance match na me yana kan mi bobi be card na mi di enu ntino went me referee ha me ma akuma ba soro full by tinam de yes an ti me pa na chew e wa si me pa na chew pa e bi obi a me pa na chew dem ye ndem anya de fanchem
Sompa sports
monsieur ne ma bibri say obobo a enu kwa so ma bufu bibri on so calm me down out me there bogi
Sompa sports
stadium obi abo ma baso obi abo ma baso pass me ni bo no bo ti me nyere mo beti ma bo aduru the next level
correct
Mame Benteke ni nkomo aka. Benteke. O dey me say o record hu because Matisse say athletics no so could break record bi o baba ya. Ana asa the best strike here no. What is the story? They na motivate you out to different kind of sports.
Okay, me do be ase. Me do be ase. No dey.
Benteke kasa.
Me passion ye dia o me. Dia me passion dia o me. Ana na tama na mo premium na menya hwe. Tama na mo premium na menya hwe. Ba me du jeche so na me sha se me ye
Sompa Sports.
Ti hono na epeke me fai.
Sompa
Me sha
Sports.
se nya sha se bo no kura na afna ma sha se mlikan. Ti na me ko 1500 na se fo. Ti ya sha se na me imagine se me get into the football. Ana na the time na me bo 2. Ana me push bar 7. Ana na me ba form of for na e fama me 7 one. Na first 11 na me count the bia. Yes ana na me improve mo sa na me yere. Ti e chire kwa me papa wu 2019. Ti owu ye no. Ana me papa akwo so am he ya. Ana be fam ko den dem won. To me ko den dem won na ti e say be we school na mo ye say me dem be kwa santeman. Ti awana me hwa me ko no ma me ko no me ko di 1 week on tie me hwa e bia ye be sha asese bo milos na hwa bia me nyere me playing time tie sana o cares for so free me ana me sa ko di be 3 days on tie twin na bisa prayers say nti prayers no mu nyina ni ana so nyu mu nyina ni na hod me yem sa shame
O sa so ko wechi
ti e hon na ola fona ere afreme dada bana mnyan ko hono bana makwa justify hono te wana misa movie ko hono tina den de me on kwa de dana se bibiri se waboa me on ko di matem se ade tina me ko nese kam yede me ba santema na me ben na de bia me yede me train hono na me se me ka chen se me bia na ma nya playing time hono tina ba ne sa.
Okay. Inti what the football no tunche any kind of football boy or baba yara. What the tunche other sporting disciplines be na wetin me abon more than the amawulak.
See
Sompa Sports.
The two handball. Ana misabo volleyball no me fam mo shim gidigidi sa. Ana mlekan. Ana javelin so me say no to. Discus.
I am multi-talented.
Discus minimum to. Short put so. I say me say mun do ba minimum to.
I have heptathlete. I have heptathlete. What me be
Sompa Sports.
Aha, koji.
Nanu ya e konta ku ye.
Yeah.
Triple jump. Ne height yo huri ye no. Asat do ya cost was do na asni bi. Na so ne jump huri ye no. O cost was asni nyina pie no huri 13.56.
Obi enjima anya was super.
So let's go get even 13.
Of Korean.
We were only 30.56.
That is.
And I was there to 400 meters. I was stadium. And I was to find out final or 400 hurdles.
When you also go US.
As I was at the count.
It is one challenging. Komobia needi was Central Region or more super zonas no. Ye nyane say school no. So basically athletes need disciplines and fields or more competing. Ti we say anko o can triple jump there no. Anko beba super zone. Ah, but I was away in one super zone. I think that it needs to be addressed. But I didn't hear Sonko or more teammates anymore. Etimi bua mo mamoko drew baby a moko drew competition him. Captain Mamemfa we mfama. Then the way
Okay, the motivate am I bit etimi could do that stage near. First of all near school management. School management not tired from our kids. We just a customer just even our boota she in the school ne providing in my internally there so that remember the sports committee and sport management in school management. Secondly any coaches only for several training series of training from midnight yes sorry how much be for year training and as thirdly odo na we ntem near Tian Huase. We on the field of players will be a mistake. It kind of cover and sana. I catch anybody say mistake away until next time. And then yes, I must be here because of her a private school. Until on the stadium, so Bibi da was say school be more ahead of us. Until they are you have if we turn say a good game. Now the betting this school could do, they all could do. Until motivated a party me drew this stage near the school management. Any series of training I firm.
Okay. Reverend, my member of na yentwa nkomonyi na ati. Waka about school no support amomo de more money way. Boneto Fafamaye, the involvement of the school, coach can headmaster Nadia. And then what next after this particular feat? Metimenya a year bronze medal. From here, what next for a year Olak?
Okay, so on that part now can be very, very true with the management and supporting. Very, very nice. Mota team mechi or akanya send even said na coach Nekano say obewie training na was oko class ni nyina no management na ehwe ye sa schedule no e de ma omo sometimes so obeko training na bia or make say prepare we have teachers that will also meet them and also encourage omo pa and then there is nothing a sports committee better say they want to do for the sports team now mo de be management management e be deny some of the things in the club are ye fanko ti management no e be hu say enoma bi atochima and then they will ask why we have not reported for action to be taken until you will say management na any di enkranachi for the sake of omodachi ti omabua management na support it very very every angle.
So from here what next? Then you
from here yes from here we are taking it to the next level. The height we have been able to attain, we are going to sustain that, and even possible we will go ahead of that or we'll go higher than what we have been able to achieve.
Yambo Reverend Father
Sylvester Frimpong.
Yandana say Yambo Nabaso. So
yes, he has been of very very support.
And the headmaster. Nti Adomo Mbabia.
Sure.
And the moment fa nyomba kon sorry na yanko. Kakra bi. Anthem na yanko. Kakra bi olag de na yanko.
Adoma Yeshira, Lady of Grace, in your house. We sincerely adore your greatness. We sincerely adore your goodness. The first among the rest that give birth to great children. Through hard work, academic excellence, and discipline. Keep shining on the high hills of Western Mount Ponting. Olag, 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 olag. These are all time. We love you. We adore you. We cherish you. We promise to project your name to a greater level without emblems forevermore.
Iti ya beda wa say na ya bonfire so de amamo say mo be koswa na maye project na beboa mankoda no so yetime yi o mapie enye competition we ya there is been take a talent ni na kempie Thomas Bache DMP alaje say do DS MP enti ya ma say
no me ko media afutu no one word mo
okay
a players
besrem
we your future of Ghana we your ball am boy na we your future of Ghana we betia komani me dey ba ko pena me ga kire mu and massem Sompa Sports because enia match ababo mo hombodin oba bi asam say bi ominim de why and lie ya emfa ball am boy because of ball tan hwe de no ba man ya pa
oya
na de asam aba
oroni ma yi ogoja
number ball ensimu ani so
ogoja ma nessa yi nembra after no na waka ni nyina bo no
okay so ya beda ma say na yewia Jofeso ke be twini na gu we so wakani na so di aka ho why enti sanet enti okay say na next omo ebeba next on the show
Mateti okay say okay so bebada omo ababa beram na ya to aso ne didi nkomo after no na de akebia bomode timi ato aso ti zero ni inter schools no na ye didi ho nkomo na boa na ne ma deda ye kama pre timi era ma enti no ya na ye timi assign ato aso na bibibia deda din ti okay for room so mo na run up na runners up no ene mun komo no series tie no mo nso no ye be rewura ma na yahwe komo mo betimi ne yediti agomia ma me nzanja mu ma na Michael na ye content empa na me ze mo komo bi di twato ansa na ye ya adimi mo monto aso ne enko
koji akwaba
enua
na kudos ne Messiah so akwaba se bibia ye boko motimi ahye mo hu crying there after Enra defeat no
we are okay.
We
are totally okay.
Then I'm picking from the competition at Abaniwe and Chebi. I'm second year. Then I'm picking from the entire competition, more participation.
My experience here as a whole team because most of our guys, you know, they've been free Ashanti region. More experience such a competition before.
Okay.
And I give you an experience going forward. No. I know so to help us.
Now run us through highlights of this participation. The way I'm and Nyoma Bakumi Numian you as a coach with me and noting it down. I won't say Ebebua Mujumedi Amos Moody.
Yeah,
Sompa Sports.
Dear me who you know say game no a competition I'm really nim.
Okay.
In building the conscience or the psyche of the players. No. That's all more say game no. It demands a ball no bebo. No winning in term than say betiki born into penalty because penalties a you be any game.
Okay.
A bit me attending to be a like new sider.
What's the grand plan behind the sports project I'm more running at the same world case? Quite ben more fast so you have continued to be a sporting behemoth. Your banner inter schools way now. More dintinu imagine tinu mo ya de pa. What is a year ade ben na moya ekoye de mamosa
say a cap plan e or dia na say me started and I see the board members board chairman previous ones or moaba
okay
and no more hosisi ya headmaster Michael Mensa any juma dia or boy any school bia na okomu na akofa collab no talented na adventure say makuhu bi we talented if I saw bus school kesa
Sompa Sports
e bia na yam placing wo kra na the protocol ke bia be 10 headmaster and the protocol 10 na sen ko de bibi but obe no be kasa no busas ampa obetimi aboa o kasa ania o de say obe masakula na kwenya na kula no so de onum no so atimi abeye ade aboa school no ti my commencer se metia na me kasa and asien komo ayo ke said master
Sompa Sports
young students ne so omombobo no
yes Mike key players for Okes final no mukra de combine enya de equalizer de mo brand mu eden Messiah wa ha wala kudu susu wa ha
go no share na FF
go ni brutal Messiah tournament no be a boarding any bibi or first of all how did you handle the disappointment after so many me anye no
oh yenti anye na basa na ha me ba ye na ha me ba time I ba pitches no na any that swing na say ye ba ni aba be Jacob na yakọ we say we hwe athletics na say bia so no be tie ba ni na ye ni that so na say ye ba be Jacob no na dia cool case na bibia so etima ye kama mai
okay the to so me no dia na coach ka kire wa obi ana olympic it was still no sacrificing the whole game ni throughout o togu susu no dia kwa ya assist e dia nko na motivate wa na o yes and man o park so
oh and I say nyina so nkoma e coach Sir George odi tu ye nim say form 3 for no so e wo bibi e twa o manim ti we say e bibi so e di show mun kran na so e fe ti ne pese e bo o mo na bibi an so timi e kama e di mo mo say de be ya o mo so timi wi school no mo kwa o mo so bibi be kama an so di mo mo ye be kai o mo say o mo so ye bibi say en so de ma school no ntina na ne bibi sa so e di mo mo
Sompa Sports.
Let me say go no me palm mo no mo yam obi ehunu go na kudus share no kudus that moment no dey about Then pan the can wow, yes, I did the ball because it's a final and decision comes in a split second. Then pan the course will three.
Yedi kai me dey aseda my yankopon because since day one ono na wa ma yetimi ayeden edin kuni ma ba melo no na ye duru finance no so sa bo na me twen na me bo share no
me fa go into so my no
omo share no na me woni da so say ye betimi ateka no odo ye me see chances ba na me woni da so say ye den ya betimi ateka no because ye bo na na wo hwa ye bo ne to from ye work ba chances na na ye say no ba adina ye bo we ni wie no timi ko drew penalties na penalties no de wo man no ana ba no say ye dia ka e be wi ni ba ye dia
some passports
and no apart from the when you kwan as an hwe ni bi o
pa chan
na wo hwe ndie na ko so chi
you say like it was amazing.
Oh, amazing.
Yeah.
I idea o plan is all by and I just came
planning pa because because ye da form back you know o say meeting ye bibi ma meeting no you know me planning pa say bo we die o say meeting ye e shego.
There was one game bi o hono ma na me say mo supporters na dwa kakra say unya bo a ugina so chedodo o mpaase na za kwa koye bibi o fa ne say e motivate u kwan be so
e ba ne say I say cloud say ni me share down bobo cloud me say da ba me first time I had me boy ye ni kuma say high no monsieur no me bebele free mu monsieur no me bebele you know finance no me more confidence exposure be more confidence say finance metimi ai bibi aboa team no and I say team ye wini a enya me nko a be kan yina tina kwan me fa so a team ne betimi age cap no me dey me try my best
now free him from the bar okay
me bought team our Accra the team ni ene dey na friend no be dia ku junior BJ
okay
BJ
na na team bear
Mountaineers FC
okay
also ombo crowd muda. Does this mean say where your first ever interquarrel?
It was stadium. Yeah, it was stadium. But my bomb Milo under 13.
Under 13.
Yeah, no crowd. Me best player.
Ewa hen.
Under 13.
Kudus. We dey want me for you chat to man na ma come inside boss ana baba ya because high school no case there. Oba Kumasi a coach Krabe catch us a rivalry dey better sa. Upie ya wo hu VIP this a hunu. Students this are there about trip.
Oh. Cause me students for na me no more school no mu jimidi. Omu dey meet me aye. You know, any high school no like na me want more confidence anya game me be na wie there. Kwata kra win na win game you know. In more na teamwork ni so ye.
Some passports.
Say oni mo na communication bi bia koso kama.
How many Messiah ni nkomo? Messiah also boti me.
Oh, me bo Obuasi Lazio.
It was Sufi Obuasi ne buy.
Me pa chan.
Na e pese me busa kakra also dey na ba trim because me hu say ye pagya true pass ni say no. Ona do ti. Etwi ye into space dem a Kudus okọ press abo no to trade. Adwe be kra na ba trim say Kudus na mochi.
Oh. Me
some passports.
All of a sudden no. Say me gina pitch ne so a. Abra bo enyamba no. Me hwe baby a space ewo. Inti time a me gina no. Me hwe no na Kudus. Me twibo ne mana obetimi akwakofa. We say minimum ha o si bi erane. Inti no ball ni be di mi nsa no. De ba me timansa me nge ball no ento me bo. Ba me hwe enye inti o say me twibo no na e simple enso di mana.
Ka omo be no common run commentary on the goal. Yeni adwuma no mo be ya bia enti wo na atwi ball ne man nti virus pa video ne break kakra na o monje microphone no man describe go no enti ye bo ye ko enti video ne ba na ma sha se o to describe go no o flick no so ne connect o be fa ball no twen ba ko connect to net enti enko
It's commentary ni sha se video Messiah.
Oh, time ball ni bedi mi nsana never say me twi ball no one decision.
It's five commentary ni enti ase.
Oh any dey meet you.
Okay and fama kudu so no waje watwe baako na de akọ et on fama na ti na describe also there no that dribble alone it was everything be 70-80%. O the player na to from the here o two players so o dey na to from na o be share him enti yankwe
ɛna me nso me obi a sɛ me atwe nko ade a me agye ball na me be push saa na me tie ɛna me so ano so na me ball RTD right to dream
okay
ɛma me ya more you can say
as a training new way no
ɛna so aboa me ɛna me finishing ni me bibia quality bibia osoro ɛna we so we head the ball me kasa kyerɛ ne so boy on twi ball into ma me na metimi ayi bibi ɛna otwi to ma me.
Interesting. Coach yambra where so it means we more the beginning of something greater.
Yes
Anameba.
Okay 2009 and the last time I saw trophy.
Okay
Since then no me akra me was school na do semi final me ba last year the school no do semi final yet me enram final 2019 that was the last time we ball baba ya almost do semi final almost me enram final so maybe by school 2020 that is November December
okay
me nya konya be ram okay that's me shall say child year 2021
okay
see me project no that's final year for when I made almost chassis. And omo na etimi di school na realm final. Omo intimi anya day. I stock up but minim say continuation here day. Oh, you go so ye adwuma. Empaba. So yankopon di wo mbe day.
Okay. Coach, you better was say na ya we shemo the best na ye hu say na nyoma enso esi ye ko na emrani tiba nkomo we ye beto aso ne di sa minim oh nipa ba ko no bia be mo boto tanta
me free am rekwan me na for mo boy ye chase no since a pia mama for mo bada nkrofobia no mo tan echi a mo aboy de di kan a board chairman they toss me headmaster Mr. Michael Mensa all students school management the CEO of the same J Hotel, that's Madam Estamponsa.
Okay.
My boy, you know my
t-shirts. Me also a warm kama.
Any BBA teaching and non-teaching staff, the playing body, the technical team, any titru, any monyama nkwalari di ayede. I show case. You lose cap ne die, but akwenya yesi ade man kwala no more talent pie die. Menim say Kumasi ni omo mo hwe Sompa TV. No more Edibo na china hu talent and kwala ni be showcase.
Okay.
Sompa Sports.
Yes, we are bonfire mama say bibia be ko me chrome ni so na 20 na de ye kwani ye pejado ko bo ase je bibia ye kama obetia obi wo fia na aduane de fo hwe o
me papa Charles Jedu.
Okay.
Oh so baby obi a me chia na my sister Beatrice Jedu. So na me coach Aga. And so baby obi a so Yami Shano. And I be coach on also at the time so coach Amandu also Yamisha na Mwasare Yamisha obi Oshembia
Kurus also chief here if you for sure
Nidi kan mechia Bedi Aku Junior BG okay na asi bebre all the wire mama na me sa chia me coach your tia ya ko George any the otite me me fan Nathaniel
okay
fan Nathaniel no watakrade
okay
you know and me sa chia my sister Venetia asida bebre enkomano
all right ya da ma say ti ye be dimo ti ye be ko to be say ye be san ga ba betu dwa why all right abu enyoma
wante dia no ye Michael Sarbodu ne Michael Komia ne o coach anati o mon kanon ti me won komo ba ku mi no bi di min dia no na me na me page me monti top tier steady abroad consult me ko makase ne ze wawie high school kwa ti ze nkwada ye o talent yi akonya da o de man so ye alert ana football ana ugina ona so pa ene o mundidi ni komo ebeboa na ye de wawura mo ewa amanone na o mudwuma di o mudi ene niama na o mo ye de ade ano edin pa di mehwe na mawura mo na mene baby yes ye din komo kakra na ma ye di na mo vanje me mintime mfa afrefo no bi na ye nko ne din komo top tier steady abroad consult obaba na bibia boko de
nyame adom bibia boko na we
ne ma so hye yo me so me ho ye pa menya ho muze dia na me ni age pa so ida na zo mo ye
Pachanyamia do.
Ye nin komo top tier study abroad consult. Ye nimza mo ba yi juma de mo ye bi pa boa ma nema de dadi na eze komo didi ne te sen sana nema ko ye wra mu kaka.
Senia debi aye ba e kana top tier nkasa de ye yankasa de say ye de nkrofo mo pese o musua de wa abrochi. Ye boa mo mo ko. Inti say ba say o pese we SS if we SS e course nyina we SS o pese o koye o first degree and I say o bachelor's e wa abrochi a o ba ye ho no ma betumi abo so o pese o ye o masters a o ba ye ho a betumi abo so o pese o ye o PhD a inti if we SS e course nyina no so o pese o 12 school so wa abrochi a top tier ne wasa oba
cheche mu kakra yerimza ne nhihye na mo de ba ne nema na mo ye dise ana scholarship bi wo mni ne ade ana titru no ye tise ye footballers ne ye ality mo won nhihye ba e de mo no so community saying
okay me pacho with no I think the last time anaye one of more announcements
some passports
we realized that more can be say for sports no ye wo nhihye bi ma wo mo e no kre. But one thing is that our also will result now whatever. It has to be very good.
Yeah.
Because we result in you good. And I say football now wobono and I say we even an athlete, wobo basketball, any of the sports we can help you with it. But also when you have videos, the bachelor school no, maybe you are in a group or even if you are just a single person, maybe I will coach, when you will coach and I say as a team no more hokra we can help you with that as long as you have the videos ne say yede kan ho bia no and our results no so another important thing it has to be good near their kan ho near their commerce school
nti eba no nyezo oni ball no bo akwa na watam we by all the results no
eh
we the other adwene ka talent
ne so wo ho
dia no na be boa man hihye na mo peze mu nyama no mo betimi anya se bia mo pe scholarship bia ma no say partial full ne na no so mu cheche mu partial ne full ne no ya na am say a hankofo kakra mo ntiase.
Okay, with partial no normally every scholarship bia one requirements e wo ho. Partial no you don't meet the full requirements but in certain ways you still meet other requirements. You meet it, be it results will SOP or they call it, that is the statement of purpose. It will be there for an essay about program or say school no I didn't know person course school ni sanya manyama. Yes, we will help you with it, but won't say or say also obo an ho kakra. Also obo an ho kakra. Inti eba ne sana wonya requirements ni nyina wo mo hwehwe no.
Okay.
Wo mo found who baby a enye. Okay, we dey ye the bema no full sponsorship. And I have baby standardized tests. That is SAT, the IELTS, TOEFL. All of these things also count.
Okay.
Obi oha, the results are very good. Maybe you're a first class student, second class upper students, but only standardized tests, and that is either GRE, GMAT,
okay,
or any of these other tests. Maybe any, and also you become a partial scholarship student.
Oh, okay.
But if you have the standardized test, NASA will score near very good, you get it. Will score like it's over 1,600. Recently, just this Saturday,
okay,
we had one of our students getting the visa on full scholarship.
Wow.
Nyamiana Domunyana visa, so she's preparing to go.
Oh, okay.
And I think or your students will is it Kumasi girls? Yes, Kumasi girls.
They all know the democrat.
Oh, Nyamia Domo democrat.
But I want to mama who do na so na ni mudin sa so boama e kofu koko kusua de. Say that we are braboni besi e de amomo. E de zia na kwanya ne demo he abombo boso kakra ma me he fa na esia no say ye ya dwensi e be kwa kwanya ne do sisia.
Okay, so we have two main places right now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, sure. That is USA and Canada.
Yes, US and Canada.
US and Canada.
Na ni pa no so ba. Ade aye hia pa no. They be anem ba to any daddy me result ye me bibia ye. Ti ma ba no mreben. Na mo de be ye bibia wi na manya akwanya akọ.
Okay, for time period mostly like I said within 6 months ubinya. But then na ya hit challenges be 1 or 2 be. In terms of getting an interview date and all of that. But no be much of a hindrance. So we try as much as possible to work within that 6 months. Nanka clients no oko.
Yeah. Na mama senya na dey omo child no. You conform more experience pa. There's on check crown no be infinu do 18 years. Enti no me could be da me kono. Momo anu mun kan susan so be ni be nyom so.
Okay. Intimate question asia. Unfie na wedding no.
No nye no. Say the ochema de no. A child in fino do watche. Enti always feel like the nipa na ye kwa share na say amana de ma fam. They say school no
with the admission process no.
Yeah, no. The school na make on ankasa.
School na work.
Yeah.
So more or less like your advisor now will be nana.
Yeah, something like that. Yes, you only on chair or crown and she be doing okay. 80 years. My name is Awati de Mecho na.
Okay. Men say enumum.
Basoro sitting as an ofana na chichi mo.
Okay. When it comes to
I'll be to about
the last time cry the schools never go by mo studio ha say
make high
omo a ye di omo bani na lecturers and answer schools now be kono omo nyina ye very good schools for US ono mo a so ukona so uko school ne nko ande a opportunities ne dey bebre papa ne cry ye de ne ba ha no so we are fortunate now ko ni school mu hono mo aside scholarships ne ade no ono akra be boa mo anya adwuma e wo won chen a obetumi aye na ade akọ school no so otimi wie school ne nso so a adwuma nso so de bebre e wo hono mo a obetumi aye emuede
mate mama ye numbers ne na ye hwe mo amuchi akwan bibie be hu na minja mo kwan na afi yenko
yo so what you say okumase de a ye wo amekom ye bensnet office as a senate office no se unim amekomi ya leshego ni opposite hwa honom ne wo ena your numbers na ye so person ofre and also send you a WhatsApp message I obetumi send ya call 0260 411 847 enu ye Kumasi so kwa akra so
ayo Santi Kumasi de no so
Kumasi line is be okay Kumasi line is 0260 411 847 hi and so kwa akra so ayo office no Madina e wo Rolling Circle area hona Madina Polyclinic ni opposite pe Abrusan bi wo ho your friend CC Hagan Plaza sa building ni mu na your office no wo so ko hono mo nso a ubetumi afre Kumasi line na 0260411847 na ye bema obi aba be hia wo baby a wo no ye no akọ office ni ye no akọ akodi nkomo
okay
and na afeso ye san what office what takrade and also so wo Fijai Fijai road ho Inshaba
NKCT
fire service
Inshaba kwajo pap bi wo ho no so no so ye baby a obetumi dia ahwe akohonom so wudru na so ofre Kumasi line na ye besan ama obi aba bi hia wo honom na one wako office
ti santina manam bi ma na minja
0260 411 847
mate Madam Supervisor.
Yes, yeah,
thank you.
And no, ye thought yesterday about console near Coco Rama, so you could din come here. Yeah, the more premier query about 3 to 4. Now shoot out no. Abe to us, Yadamu, Yadamunase.